please remember, time really does heal all wounds. Second, there are two things that got me through every time. One saying was that, and I took this to heart, just as good times cannot last, neither can the bad. So, kahit gaano kasakit yung dinadaanan mo, parang pag inisip mo, pag masaya ako, hindi naman pwedeng forever na yon. Siyempre, may dadating na problema, may dadating na kahit feeling mo wala ka nang dapat pinaalala, meron at meron dadating. Kasi yun ang buhay, may ups, may downs. So, kung isipin mo yun, kung hindi pwedeng tumagal yung sobrang saya, hindi naman pwedeng tumagal yung sobrang lungkot. So, babangon ka rin. Pwedeng hindi. And then another one is dawn breaks when it's darkest. Sumisikat ang araw pagka sobra ng dilim. Pag lumagpas na yung buong gabi at tinamaan na yung sobrang dilim, wala nang pupuntahan, kundi ang tumaas na ang araw, sumikat na. So,